Let Garmin show you how to create composite picture-in-picture videos in the Garmin Drive app on an Apple device. Videos can be selected from up to 4 simultaneously recording Garmin Dash Cams. The Garmin Dash Cam Tandem will provide 2 simultaneous recordings. To create a picture-in-picture video, start by opening the Garmin Drive app and selecting Videos and Photos. Then select Join. Select a multi-camera video. These will be indicated by multiple camera icons in the top right corner of the video file. A camera icon will display for each recording dash cam. The Garmin Dash Cam Tandem will be indicated by an icon showing a lens on both sides of a single camera. Next, you will have the ability to trim the video. Here you can drag the handles on the video progress bar left or right to trim the video length. The Select a View option will provide the available camera views. The Garmin Dash Cam Tandem will provide front and interior views. Other Garmin Dash Cam views will be listed by name. First, choose the full screen portion of video from the available camera views before selecting Continue in the top right. Then, select the camera view to use as the picture-in-picture portion of the video. Choose the corner of the screen where you want the picture-in-picture video to appear and select Export. The Garmin Drive app must stay open and visible when exporting a video. Next, select Save to Phone, followed by OK. Lastly, select Done and use the sharing options on your phone to save the video or share it externally. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.